Boy, what are you doing?
That's a leave him. That's it.
Come say hi to the camera.
Whoa.
Why are you trying to show off for? You have your girlfriend here?
Ew. Stop acting weird. Stupid.
Your girlfriend doesn't like that.
That's not cute.
That's not. Please stop.
He's calling her.
Charlotte's trying to get in and get John Cena. What are you doing? Who's that, baby? Baby?
I was like, ooh, I found my pillow. He loves to lay on her. Honey, your boots.
Huh?
Your boots.
Please stop. This is how we hit this little boy. We flick his ear, slap his head, kick him around, throw him on the couch, and take back what you got. You little thigh ass. Bye, boy.
Oh shit. Oh shit. He just fell.
He just fell.